Little storyteller.
Barnaby Bear was a small, fluffy bear cub with bright, curious eyes. Today he was exploring a new part of the woods near his home, Sunny Meadow. The trees here were tall and leafy, and the air smelled of damp earth and sweet berries. Barnaby hopped happily over mossy logs, his little brown nose twitching as he sniffed the different scents. Suddenly, a thick, white fog began to swirl around the trees. It was like a giant cotton ball had landed in the woods. Barnaby could no longer see the path he had been following. "Oh dear," he mumbled, his ears drooping a little. "I think I'm lost." Then Barnaby remembered something his grandpa had given him. A shiny, round compass. Grandpa said this little helper always knows which way to go, Barnaby thought, pulling the compass out of his small backpack. The compass had a spinning needle and letters all around its edge. Barnaby looked at it, confused. Just then, a fluffy white bunny with long, twitching ears hopped by. "Excuse me," said Barnaby. "Do you know how this compass works?" The bunny, whose name was Cottontail, stopped and looked at the compass with curiosity. "My grandpa taught me a little about these," Cottontail said. "See this little red arrow? It always points north." Barnaby looked closely. The red needle was indeed pointing to the letter. "North is that way," Cottontail pointed with his paw. "Sunny Meadow is to the east, so, if north is that way, east should be to your right." Barnaby looked to his right. He thought he could see a faint path through the fog in that direction. "Thank you, Cottontail," Barnaby said happily. "I think I know the way now." Barnaby followed the path, and soon the fog began to clear. He could see the familiar green grass and colorful wildflowers of Sunny Meadow ahead. He even spotted his cozy little bear cave. Cottontail had followed him. And now they stood together at the edge of Sunny Meadow. "Thank you again, Cottontail," Barnaby said. "You were a great help." Cottontail smiled. "You're welcome, Barnaby. It's always good to help a friend." As the sun shone brightly on Sunny Meadow, Barnaby looked at his compass again. He now knew that the red arrow always points north, and that can help you find your way. He also learned that making friends and helping each other is always the best way to get through a foggy situation.
Please subscribe. Thank you.